Weekend Gardener here with Evie and Homel,
Hi guys.
the garden dog or the guard dog. Yeah,
Guard dog.
yeah, that's a guard dog, garden dog. One of those. Okay, today what we have coming from, I guess, a family room. This right here, you know what this is?
Yes, I know.
What?
I had this before.
Oh, you did? Mm-hmm. Okay, this is a white peach.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know if you had a white peach before.
Yes, we had in Brazil. In Brazil, we call pêssego branco. Pêssego.
Pêssego blanco.
Yeah.
Okay. Pêssego blanco. You see it dance across the screen. Okay, so we're doing something a little different today. I'm doing the cutting
Yes.
because of my expertise.
Yes, it is.
Okay, first thing I could describe about this fruit is it's a very large peach and it's hairy. And
Yeah, I know you don't like your hair.
well, it's the texture. It's the texture. It's just like
Show the guys.
fruit shouldn't be fuzzy. Fuzzy is like a shirt. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, he's talking about the skin.
Yeah, I don't like fuzzy. Showing the pit in the middle.
Huge seed.
Yeah, so this might be a freestone peach. And I say freestone, I don't know why I was thinking the plum was freestone. But I know the peach is freestone because it came out so easy. I believe that's the difference between freestone.
I understand Flintstones is a cartoon.
Yeah, it's a Flintstones a cartoon. Okay, but look, still, we're gonna do it the same way. You know what I always say, right?
Yes.
On bars.
Bars. Yeah, bars. Okay. Very good.
So you had the, what'd you call it? Pêssego blanco?
Blanco. Ah, pêssego branco.
That's what I just said. Pêssego blanco.
Pêssego branco. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Oh, second bite.
No. In Brazil, we just say pêssego. We don't say, oh, go to the grocery store, buy pêssego branco. We just say pêssego.
Pêssego.
Yeah.
No matter what type it is, because you know they have several types of peaches.
Yes, I know.
Peach is just peach.
Yeah.
Y'all so plain. Okay.
Soft. Not so sweet, but it's sweet enough. What else?
You smell it?
Smells sweet.
I don't know. It's real faint to me. Real
Yeah.
faint.
Smell peach.
Okay, so what's your number?
My number is 9. Because could it be more sweetest?
Or
But it's very good. I love it. Your
Okay.
turn.
I'm not a peach dude, but this isn't too bad.
Oh,
Look like you cut another little piece. Who's that for?
to Romeo. Romeo don't feel well. Yeah, he don't want to.
Yeah, he don't want it. Good boy. Yeah, he want that groundhog taste. He was saving that taste for groundhog. He'd rather have groundhog than peach. Or maybe a random squirrel. He'd rather have that taste. Okay, my number for this is, that second bite wasn't too good. I give it about an 8.
8?
Yeah, I give it about an 8.
Good number.
As you,
give 9.
as you can see, I don't eat the skin
Yeah,
because
he don't like his skin.
I'm a texture person and I don't like fuzzy texture.
Fuzzy texture.
So yeah, I would go out and get this again if I saw it in the store. The white peach. I'm not sure where it's from. My guess is somewhere in America. I could be.
I don't know.
I could be wrong, but you know, I'll probably look it up and see. But what I like about the freestone is if you go ahead and skin this, you can make it. You know what?
I know what you.
What?
Jelly.
No.
No. Smoothie.
Yes.
Yeah, smoothie.
You got to make me a smoothie out of this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have that in a smoothie later today. All right, your weekend gardener here with Evie and Homel,
Bye.
the not so feeling well dog.
Yeah.
Come on, homeboy. That's what I'm talking about. It's my homeboy.
Say hi, people.
All right. So we out. Boom.
Bye, guys.
Catch you on the next one. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe.